everybody, Alex Glazer here for another episode of Why Richmond is Awesome. I'm here today at the Virginia Wine Expo down at the Richmond Historic Main Street Station. I'm really excited to go check it out, so let's see what they have going on behind me. Dave.
Hey.
And I was just kind of curious, like, why did you come to the Virginia Wine Expo?
Well, we have friends here in Richmond, and they've been talking about all the Virginia wines, and I didn't believe them.
You didn't believe them?
I didn't believe them.
Do you believe them now?
I do believe them now.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I've had some really good wines, and I've also had wines from other parts of the country too, and from the Bordeaux region. So, and lots of, actually, what I was really surprised about was the fact there were so many distilleries here. And I love bourbon also, so I'm having bourbon and wine.
Best of all worlds?
Best of all worlds, yeah.
So you're loving it? You'd recommend for people to come check it out next year if they're not coming this year?
Yeah, absolutely. I would definitely come check it out. And I would do the VIP ticket too, so you get here early.
Ooh.
Before
Is that what you did?
Before all the crowds come.
So you don't have to wait in line?
I hate lines.
Me too.
Yeah.
Get the VIP ticket.
VIP ticket.
First time, third time?
It's my third time. I volunteer at the Virginia Wine Expo, and then I come the next day to enjoy with my daughter today. It's her birthday.
26.
And Virginia is a wonderful place to raise your kids. I moved here maybe 30 years ago.
Yeah. To Richmond or?
To Richmond.
Nice.
To Richmond. And I raised my daughter and my son. This is my daughter-in-law. I have grandkids. This is a wonderful place to live and to work and to party.
What do you love about the Virginia Wine Expo?
The wine.
So I'm here with Jim, and I was just curious, what do you love about the Virginia Wine Expo?
Several things. One, it's in this wonderful facility that we have here today, as well as the different types of wines that you can have, the vendors, the food. It's amazing. I was here last night for the smoked event. That is amazing. Amazing.
I wish I went to that.
Yeah.
Worth it?
The food, 100%. So I thought last year when we first did it, smoked events, bourbons, whiskeys, and then the wine, how would it go together? They did a great job with the food, matching up with the whiskeys and the bourbon. It's amazing.
So it sounds like this isn't your first year.
No, I've come every year, as many years as I can count back, yes.
So obviously there's something that keeps bringing you back. What's your favorite thing about the Wine Expo?
The wines that they have here, you usually can't get anywhere else. It introduces you to other vineyards, and then obviously I love Tarnished Truth, which is always here every year. That was the one that does me. Tarnished Truth out of Virginia Beach is an amazing distillery, and then the wines, so the combination of the two is amazing.
Are you from Richmond?
I've been in Richmond for 20 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So they don't have the Tarnished, what was it?
Truth.
Tarnished Truth here in Richmond?
They do. Actually, the Old Cavalier bourbon, you can now get ABC stores, and it's been so good that people demanded it. But otherwise, you have to go down to the Old Cavalier in Virginia Beach.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Well, awesome. Well, I appreciate your time, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you guys for all you do. This is a great to make awareness of this event, because it's just so good with the wine and the people. It's amazing.
Yeah.
So thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. So I'm wrapping up an afternoon general session here at the Virginia Wine Expo. I've learned a couple things. First off, if you want to have a lot of great wine, a lot of different samples of wine, ciders, distilleries, different liquors, delicious food, then you need to check out the Virginia Wine Expo.